Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Study of Science with Rahul Kesharwani. Today I will discuss the properties of acid. Now in the previous lecture we discussed about how can we identify the acid as well as what is acid. Now we discuss what is the properties of acid, right? So basically, properties of acid is classified into two categories. Number one is the physical properties. Now, first properties is the physical properties. And what is the physical properties? Those properties which can be identified by our sense organ, that is, we can smell, we can taste, we can also see. That type of acid, that type of properties is called as the physical properties. So what is physical properties? Those properties which can feel by our sense organ, called as physical properties, right? Basically, first physical properties of acid is it is burning in nature, means when it comes to the our skin, then it can cause burn of our skin. So that is, it is burning in nature, that is corrosive in nature. Corrosive in nature. Now the second property, physical properties of acid is it turns blue litmus paper into red litmus paper, by which we can identify, means we can identify acid by litmus paper also. When we dip the blue litmus paper in the solution of acid, then it turns into the red litmus paper, right? So this is the second physical properties of acid, right? Now third and most important properties is it is sour in taste. It is sour in taste, means all the acids generally they have sour in taste. So these are the physical properties of acid. Now the chemical properties of acid. Chemical properties of acid. Those properties which can be done in laboratory and identify by a specific way, called as chemical properties. मीन्स ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी जो केमिकल रिएक्शंस के थ्रू हो, जिसे हम नॉर्मली आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर सकते हैं, दैट कैन बी आइडेंटिफाइड बाय अ केमिकल रिएक्शन, राइट? लाइक एज नंबर वन, फर्स्ट रिएक्शन with water. When acid is react with water, acid is react with water, then it produce hydronium ion. Hydronium ion plus negative species, like as acid, like as HCl is react with water H2O, then it produces H2O H is goes to 3, H2 and 1H मिल करके H3 and O, and it got the positive charge, that is H3O plus Cl-. This is the hydronium ion. This reaction can also be written as HCl aqueous. Aqueous means water. So gives out H plus ion aqueous plus chloride ion aqueous. So mean when acid is reacting with water, then it produces hydronium ion or hydrogen ion. Basically all acids have hydrogen ion. ज़्यादातर nearly most of the acids have hydrogen ion, means they can lose hydrogen ion when react with water. So one more important thing is that note, all acids have hydrogen ion. All acids have hydrogen ion, which is common. Right? So this is the first chemical properties of the acid. Now reaction with metal carbonate. Reaction with metal. Firstly, when we react the metal. Now the second chemical property is the reaction with metal. Listen, acid is react with metal, gives out salt plus hydrogen gas. But not all metal, only highly reactive metal. Actually सारे metals acid से react नहीं कर सकते. When you go in higher classes, then you study that what is the high reactive metals. Basically I give only examples, some as like as sodium, potassium, etc. Take some example like as H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. It react with metal like a sodium, then it produces sodium sulfate and release of hydrogen gas. Actually this hydrogen gas is identified by a specific sound. Actually this hydrogen gas is burned with a special type of sound, that is pop sound. This hydrogen gas burn with pop sound. This is the special feature by which we can identify which gas is released. Right? Now the third chemical properties of acid. Reaction with metal carbonate. Acid is react with metal carbonate, then it produces salt plus water plus carbon dioxide. Example, like as HCl is react with metal carbonate like as calcium carbonate. This is calcium carbonate. Then it react and produce calcium chloride CaCl2 plus CO2 plus H2O. This is calcium chloride. And you know what is this? Carbon dioxide and water. This carbon dioxide, it is identified by bring a burning matchstick, then it become extinguish. मीन्स जब भी हम जैसे मान लो दिस इज अ beaker, right, and here calcium carbonate is present. When we add the acid, that is HCl, then it produces carbon dioxide. When we bring, मतलब जब हम एक जलती हुई माचिस की तीली लेकर के आएंगे towards this beaker, then that matchstick becomes extinguished, वो बुझ जाएगी. So this indicates that which type of gas is released. The indication is the carbon dioxide gas is released, because this carbon dioxide gas is not help for burning of any substance, right? So by which we can identify which gas is arised, right? Now the fourth chemical properties is reaction with metal bicarbonate. Reaction with metal bicarbonate. Same reaction is that like this. HCl is react with calcium bicarbonate. Then it produces calcium chloride plus 2H2O plus 2CO2. And this carbon dioxide is also identified by burning of matchsticks. They extinguish that matchstick, right? So this is the chemical properties of acid, right? Now how acid is formed? How acid is formed? Actually, some non-metal oxide react with water and produces acid. Example, sulfur trioxide. This is sulfur trioxide. This is non-metal oxide. It reacts with water, H2, then it produces H2SO3 and 1, that is SO4, that is sulfuric acid, right? Similarly, carbon dioxide, as you know, this is carbon dioxide. It reacts with water, then it produces H2CO3, that is carbonic acid, right? Similarly, like a sulfur dioxide is react with water, it produces H2SO3. This is sulfur dioxide. React with water, it produces sulfurous acid. So these are the basic concept how acid is formed, right? Now how can we write the name of acid? Can we write name of acid? Actually, when acid lose hydrogen, then the remaining part is called radical, like as when H2SO4 release the hydrogen ion, then it produces SO4 2 minus. This is a sulfate ion. This is a sulfate, that is radical. Means apart from hydrogen, the remaining part is called radical, and the name of acid is depend on its radical. So sulfate name is related to the name of acid, that is sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid. Similarly, in case of this, when it lose hydrogen and CO3 2 minus, this is carbonate, and the name of acid is carbonic acid. Means the name of acid is depend on the radical which is present in acid. Similarly, in case of HNO3, when it lose H plus ion and NO3 minus, this is nitrate, and the name of this acid is nitric acid. Means आप देख रहे हो रिक acid add हो रहा है, IC add हो जा रहा है. Similarly, in case of H3PO4, lose 3H plus and PO4 3 minus, that is phosphate, and the name of this acid is phosphoric acid. So these are the properties and how we can write the name of acids. All these things are discussed in this video. So in the next video I will discuss about the base, and please, who is the new ones, please subscribe my channel and also like this video and share this video. Thank you very much.